So Pivotal Tracker is one of the main tools that we use at East Agile. Essentially, it allows asynchronously for the entire Agile development process to be put into practice. What it does is allow user stories and features to be created by the team in collaboration with the product owner at clients. It allows them to be dragged and dropped, prioritized in terms of business value. It allows weekly iterations, plans for 7-day blocks of time to be defined and agreed upon. It allows developers to signal to our clients what they're working on right now and to have discussions about those particular features. When work is done, clients see in real time the offer to accept or reject features, and if they accept them, then it's counted as work done. If they reject it, then there's an opportunity for our developers to immediately go back and restart those features. It offers the opportunity to keep track of work that's been done in the past, work that's been planned for the future, and an icebox of ideas for potential work to be done in the future. Pivotal Tracker also enables a lot of very interesting management features. So for instance, a very important feature of Pivotal Tracker is that whenever a story is created in Pivotal Tracker, the engineers will estimate it. They don't estimate in terms of hours, they estimate in terms of points. Now there may be a notional idea of what a point means in terms of time. So for instance, as a general guideline, we usually tell people that, say 0 points means it's something that could take a few minutes or a couple hours to do. 1 point means it takes about half a day to do. 2 points means it's about a full day of work. 3 points means it's more than a day of work. It probably should be broken down into other stories of 1 or 2 points or 0 points. But, you know, in an ideal world, a pair of developers would get 10 points of work done every week under this model. And so estimates get created, and that's how an initial week of work might be defined. But over the course of time, any individual team on any individual project will actually have a different level of points or velocity that they achieve. And it really doesn't matter what the real value is. If a team consistently achieves 8 points of velocity, that's fine. If they achieve 12 points of velocity, that's fine too. The important point is that everyone in the project sees over the course of time, oh, okay, this project is getting 8 points a week of work done. So now, after that velocity has been measured, when an engineer says that something takes 2 points, you know that that's going to take a quarter of a week to do, and is based on actual real-world performance of that team with the specific technology in a specific project that is being worked on. And that is way more valuable and way more believable than simply an abstract estimate. It's an estimate now that's based in reality, based in measured statistical fact. And with that in mind, now the team can estimate work in the future. And you can have, and Pivotal Tracker will automatically tell you when certain things will be done. Not based on, you know, promises or guesses or hopes, but based on a measured actual velocity of that team. So while at the beginning of a project it's very hard to come up with very reliable estimates, as it is for anyone, once work proceeds, the reliability and accuracy of development estimates at East Agile are extremely high and validated and measured using real-world data. A very important point. Now, of course, Pivotal Tracker also gives you a lot of other management graphs and charts, such as burn-down charts, which allow you to see if a project is on track towards achieving a certain release. And so Pivotal Tracker is a very helpful tool. It really enables the asynchronous nature of work between people in different time zones, and it basically automates the entire Agile development process.